Hello to all of you. I'm Kirtratna. In these lessons, I will continue my creating shapefile video demonstrations. I have already created first part of this video, and today I'm going to share my knowledge with you how to create shapefile using ArcMap. Let's dive into our lesson. In today's lessons, I want to explain these topics with you. How to use our catalog for create new shapefile. I will make here point shapefile. When I am making point shapefile, this time I select projections from the projection list, and secondly I will make line shapefile using arc toolbox, and there will be I search projections for that work. Finally, I will make a polygon using arc toolbox tools and search panel. At that time, I will import projections from previous shapefile. I will move into my software. I will use ArcMap 10.3 versions. Before I am going to create shapefile, I have already made a folder inside my computer, the driver arc lessons, and inside arc lessons I make a creating shapefile folder. I want to add this shapefile to arc catalog windows. So I'm going to now arc catalog. I have to connect my folder in here. There is the option folder connections, and also there is the icon connect to folders. Using both these icon and options, I can connect my folder to this place. When we use this, I have to click on right and select to connect to folder. You can simply go here or click on this icon. I use this one, connect to folder. Then connect to folder dialog box appear. It is in my computer, drive, and arc lesson. Inside arc lessons, there is a creating SHP. If you want to make new folder, you can use these make new folder options, but I have already made my folder here and no need to make new folder at this time. So the folder now D drive A arc lessons and create shapefile. So I'll click here for the OK. Now it will appear my working directory in folder under folder connections option. Now I'm going to make a shapefile using arc catalog. So I want to see what it's inside this arc my folder. There is nothing. Also I go to Window Explorer and search what is inside my folder. There is nothing at this moment because I haven't created any shapefile inside this folder. Then I go to simply a catalog and right click on my working directory and select new options. You can see here new options. There is a under new command, there is a shapefile options. So I'm going to again write new shapefile. Here is a shapefile. When we click on this, there is a create new shapefile dialog box appear. I want to fill these items for the creating new shapefile. First thing is I have to define a name. My name will be point shapefile because I'm this time making a point layer. You can give any names for whatever your requirements. In this feature type options, I already select point, but I go inside using these arrow keys, and there is a point, polyline, polygon, multipoint, and multipath. I'm select here point. Then I have to select a coordinate for the special references. It is still unknown coordinate systems appear here because we didn't select any projections for this shapefile. For that, I'm going to edit option in here. I click on this edit, and there's a special reference properties dialog box will appear. In here, they mention favorites. If we add it to our favorite coordinates, it will appear here, but I still haven't added favorite coordinates. There is a two main system here. One is geographic coordinate systems, other one is projected coordinate system. In here, I will add WGS 1984 World Mercator projection. It is inside the projected coordinate systems. I will click simply on this plus mark. It will expand and I will navigate to the world. This is world. Then I will expand this using this plus mark, and again I will navigate my projections. There are a lot of projections you can see here. This is my projections, WGS 1984 World Mercator. If you can remember this EPSG code, it is 3395. We can simply search using this EPSG code our projections. I will do that next time. This time I will simply click OK, and I remember this number. It is EPSG number, right? Click OK. There is something added to the special reference description window. The projected coordinate system is this one. Geographic coordinate system is this one, right? Now I don't want to explain those things at this moment. I'll skip these 3 options and simply click OK for the making point shapefile. This is the easiest way to make a point shapefile. It will appear here point shapefile. I'll go simply my working directory using our catalog. There is a point shapefile inside my folder, right? Then there's an icon also here. This is a call symbol. The point shapefile, I click on right on top of this point layer and simply go to open attribute table. This is our attribute table. It will appear as a table. It's only This time displaying headings, FID, shape and ID. In here, shapes mean what is the type of this shapefile. Now I want to close this table using table close option. In here you can see close button. It is table close options. Click on it and now it is closed. Then I want to make another shapefile using Arc Toolbox. This is my Arc Toolbox. I go to data management tool. You can see it here. Expanding this data management tool using this plus mark, you can see feature class tool. Inside this feature class tool, you can find a create feature class tool. This is a create feature class tool. When we double click on this tool, it will appear create feature class dialog box. We have to define those fields and also I want to define coordinate system also. This time I will make a line folder inside my line shapefile inside my folder. So I have to connect my folder, but I already connect my folder. Let's go in here. You can see my folder Arc lesson creating shapefile. If not this is appear, you can simply go this connect to folder and navigate your folder also. Selecting this my folder and I simply click add. It will come to feature class location. Right. Now I have to define names. This time I will give name as line. You can give whatever your choice related to your work. The geometry type already selected polygons. I no need to make a polygon shapefile at the moment. So I will simply click on this arrow key and select polyline. Here is a polyline. Right. I give locations, name and geometry type. Then I skip those options and go to directly coordinate system. I want to click this icon for the selecting coordinate. This time I will search coordinates using our EPSG number. I remember that number 3395. It is belong to World Mercator Projections and click on search button. It will simply navigate our projections WPS 1984 World Mercator. Then I click here OK button. Now projections also added to my shapefiles. Finally I click OK. It will take little time depending on our machine speed. Let's see what happened. In here will indicate if our work correct or wrong. Create feature class now finished. It will add to our table of contents as a line. The symbol is indicating line. Let's go to our catalog windows. They also indicate our line shapefile like this. It also has attribute table. We can open attribute table like this. I close this using table close button. And next thing is I want to use this search panel to create a polygon shapefile and find a arc tool where located inside arc tool feature class. I click on search panel, type here and click on this search panel. It will suggest these kind of suggestions. This is my exact tool. Create feature class is inside data management tool. When we click on these green letters, it will appear our create feature class dialog box. You can simply click on this line. You can navigate where the located our tools inside the toolbox using our catalog. Again, I will show you. Clicking on this area, you can simply navigate our create feature class tool. Okay, let's fill these create feature class options. Here also I have to add a file location. This is my file where locations I'll add to. This times I will give a polygon. It is already selected polygon. I will show again. This is the polygon geometry type. Also, I want to add a coordinate system for this shapefile. Using this icon, I can simply go special reference properties dialog box, and I want to import coordinate from we have already created shapefiles. There are two shapefiles in our folder. We can import these special reference into our new shapefile. Using this add coordinate system icon, see this arrow, I select import, not new, I select import. Then that's our working directory. There's a line. I got this line or polygon, both are same. I click on this line shapefiles and add. It will make it a projections to our coordinate system. So it is also another option to add the projections. Now I click OK, and it is almost even. Those other options I'll skip these times and click OK to create my polygon feature class. There is a indicating here, and create feature class is finished now. It has added to this table of content like this. This is the polygon. It also has attribute tables. Also there will be inside catalog window polygon features. Those are the way we can create a shapefiles using ArcGIS 10.3 versions. I have already come to end to my lessons. I will hope to explain how to edit those shapefiles in later lesson. Until that, I will hope you will create your own work using my instructions. Also, I really appreciate your encouragement, comments, and other suggestions for me. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.